Hello everyone, it's Lee here. Welcome back to my channel. A big hello to anyone who might be here for the first time. I hope you enjoy the video and you will subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we're doing Margarete Miller Weekly Collage Challenge. So we're up to week 40 and the prompts are something that begins with the letter H. So I have a honey eater, a travel item. I've got a travel ticket here, a ribbon, I have a piece of ribbon, dancing, got a couple of ballerinas, something messy. Well, the honey eater is at its nest, which is really messy. Bonus is something with stripes, not going to use that. Got some music sheet to put under my collage, so I'm just going to get straight into it. I want to get this done really fast because I'm losing the light and I don't want to be doing this under the overhead light because it just doesn't look very nice. And apart from that, it's nearly tea time. So I'm going to put my music sheet down first and ink around it with some vintage photo. Hope everybody's well. Been able to get some crafting done. I've been working on a little journal that I'll be able to show you in a couple of days' time, maybe a week at the most. And I'm really happy with it. It's a Halloween themed one. And it's a cloth journal. Seems to be all the rage at the moment. Okay, so just using glue stick to get this down. I'll just put it over this way a little bit. Haven't really thought about my composition as such, but I think it's not going to be too hard to get something happening here. I'll keep the ladies visible. The ticket, I feel like that's my odd item out of all the ones I've got, so I'm just going to ink that up. So ink around my ballet dancers. And I've got my ribbon, which sort of tones in nicely there. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it at this point in time. So I just want to make something pleasing and simple. Sometimes I think that's the best way to go. You don't have to be proving how clever we are all the time. And just because a collage is easy and quick to get together doesn't undermine the value of it. Maybe if the ticket is on an angle like that, and then this ribbon, I really don't like the ribbon, but anyway, we'll get it in there somehow. So I think something like that is what I'm going to do, and I shall just tack my items together to begin with. Okay, just going to get that out of the way, and then I think this ribbon I'm going to put underneath everything else. Just something like that. I'm going to put that down so I can't change my mind. And I'm happy for it to just protrude ever so slightly off the edge of the page. And I want to just get this down now, so I'm just going to put a little bit more glue on this top of it. And I'm going to stick it down over the ribbon. And this is art glitter glue. And this little squeezy bottle is one that I just bought from the $2 shop. Get a lot of questions about these bottles, so they're very cheap. And I think you get 3 or 4 in a packet for not much money. So I'm just going to pop that in there like that. Just check where I need to put some more glue down. Okay, so I don't need the glue anymore, so I'm going to put that aside. What I'd like to do is just a little bit of mark making around the edge of the page. Oh, hang on. Wish I'd thought of this a bit earlier. I bought these all their leaves. Got them from AliExpress. I keep forgetting that I've got them, but I don't think I can get one in there now. Well, that doesn't look too bad. I think that's the right way though. Those stickers. I don't think they're stickers, I think you just got to glue them on. I think that looks nice. You probably can't see it in this light, it's very subtle. I've got purple ones and green ones. Okay, there's different ones in the packet, I didn't realise that. That's a nice one. No, I don't think I'll use it. If anything, I'll use this one. So I think I'll just pop one of them on and get the glue again. Hopefully this dries clear and you can't see the glue. We'll find out before much longer. Can't really see it now that it's wet. Okay, once again I'll put the glue away and find my Stabilo pencil. So I've got a black gel pen. I'm just going to go around the edge of my bird's wings and feathers. Today's date is the 28th, I think. And put this little bit of shadow in here just to lift the collaged items off the paper. And now all I want to do is put some gold splatters on there. So I've got my watercolour paint here. Just want to get that a little bit loose so I can splatter some. And the only other thing I would like to do is put an outline around the page. I'll just do that with an outliner. I'm going to leave it at that. So nice and simple. And I've got all the items in there. So something that starts with H is the honey eater, travel item is the ticket, there's the ribbon, got my dancing ballerinas, we've got the messy bird's nest, and I haven't used the bonus. Okay, let me know in the comments what you think. I really like this one. I'm finding the simple ones to be quite attractive these days. We're not having to put too much thought into them. So I really enjoy doing them, getting them done quickly. So leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. So take care, happy crafting, hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!